Hello my lovelies, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free and it helps my channel grow. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a no-sew top that can also be styled as a skirt. You can wear it as a top or you can wear it as a skirt, and you don't need to sew or have any knowledge of sewing to make this top. It's a very simple, easy DIY project that anybody can make. Now for this project, all you need is your fabric, chalk, measuring tape and your scissors. For the fabric I'm using a velvet fabric. Now this fabric is a self-finished fabric, but it's not a solid fabric. If you've watched any of my previous no-sew projects, you probably are familiar with the terms I'm using. Now for those of you that are new here, a solid fabric is a fabric that the right side and the wrong side are identical. So this is the right side of the fabric, as you can see, and this is the wrong side. Now you can clearly see that both sides are not identical, they are different. So this is not a solid fabric. If this was a solid fabric, both sides would be identical. However, this is a self-finished fabric. So when you cut it with the scissors, it doesn't fray. So even after cutting it, it doesn't fray. I've already cut this fabric and look at that. There's no fraying at all. Okay, so for a no-sew project like this, you need a self-finished fabric. That is non-negotiable. However, you can decide to use a solid fabric or not. I'm not using a solid fabric, so that is optional. These are the only 4 items you need to make this. So if you want to see how to make this no-sew project, then definitely keep on watching. I also have other no-sew projects I've done. I've done skirts, I've done tops, dresses, all of that. I've done all of these items without sewing, and I have a total of about 20 videos that I've made no-sew projects. So if you want to check that playlist out, please click the link right here. Without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. I'm using 1.5 yards of fabric for this. I'm simply folding the fabric diagonally. I'm taking it from the top right corner and dragging it down to the bottom left corner. I simply just move the fabric so that it's easier for you all to follow through. Now I'm just cutting out the excess fabric, making sure that it's nice and neat, because there'll be no sewing, so it has to be a neat, clean cut. So I'm cutting that all the way to the end. And I'm taking and discarding the fabric I cut out. Now I'm folding the fabric yet again, and just making sure that everything is nice and neat and in place. And once I've done that, I'm just going to cut out that excess, the excess fabric that is not included in this second fold. It's important that everything is nice and neat and aligned. It's important that both sides are aligned. Now from the top left corner, I'm just marking the depth of my neck 3 inches and the width of my neck 2.5 inches. I just made snips on both sides, and then I'm just cutting a curve to meet both points. You can use a chalk to mark both points before you cut them. But yeah, that's basically how to make this cute top. Now I simply just open it up and then put it over my head, and that's what it looks like. It's just a very lovely, easy breezy handkerchief circle top. It's such a lovely design. I really love it. It's literally giving me rich auntie vibes. Who else thinks it's giving me rich auntie vibes? Like, I really love how this turned out, and I paired it with a lovely royal blue bootcut palazzo trousers that I made as well. By the way, if you guys want a tutorial on how to make a bootcut trouser, let me know in the comment section. And here you go. I decided to style it with a short instead, and I went for white shorts. And I also went ahead to make the front part of the neck V-neck. So I made the neck open, a bit more open, and I made it a V-neck. So if you want a V-neck, all you have to do is simply just open the fabric up and just trim it a bit, trim the neckline a bit, and there you go. You have, I cannot dance to save my life, guys. Just ignore my foolery. I cannot dance to save my life. But yeah, That's it. It looks really nice. And now this is how you convert this lovely top into a skirt. All you have to do is bring it down to your waist, get a lovely belt, and there you have it. Handkerchief skirts ready to go. I actually have a no-sew handkerchief skirt where I show you how to make a no-sew skirt like this. If you're interested in seeing that, definitely click on the link on the top right corner. But this is what it looks like, guys. I don't know why I'm stammering. I'm stammering out of excitement, but yeah, this is it. So cute, so cute, so cute. I really like how this turned out. So you can definitely style this as a top, or you can style this as a skirt. Yeah, so whichever one works for you, that's fine.
That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched up to this point and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? On this channel, I teach you how to make outfits with and without sewing, and I upload every Saturday by 2 p.m. GMT +1, so you're sure of regular uploads from me every single week. So definitely click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Hey, Chineke, what type of nonsense is this?
See, you don't need to do it like this. Just throw the shots.
Okay.
So that you can get a better aim.
Oh my god.
Better, that's better.
Oh my God!